Good morning, dear children. All of you open your worksheets. Open chapter 1. At present, we are doing revision for your exams, right? In our previous class, we did revision in hard words and meanings of 3 chapters you are having. And in today's class, we are going to learn question and answers of your first chapter, The House with the Golden Windows. So, all of you open your worksheets. Open first chapter, The House with the Golden Windows. We are going to do revision in question and answers. Okay. See the first question. What did Steve usually do in the hour before sunset? So, what did Steve used to do in the hour before sunset? Before sunset, what he will usually do in the daily process? Okay. See here. See the answer. He looked at a house on a distant hill. So, on a hour before sunset, he used to look at a house which is on a distant hill. So, he looked at a house on a distant hill. What did Steve usually do in the hour before sunset? He looked at a house on a distant hill. Okay. Now come to the second question. What do you learn about Steve from this story? So, what do you learn about Steve from this story? See here. Steve was a simple farmer's boy. So, Steve's father is a farmer. So, Steve was a simple farmer's boy, means a simple farmer's son, who was fascinated with the house that has the golden windows. So, he has fascination, means here he has eagerness. He has some special interest with the house that has the golden windows. That's why he used to look at the house from a distant hill on the hour before sunset. Okay. So, he probably wished to live in a house. So, he mostly preferred to live in a house. See once again. What do you learn about Steve from this story? Steve was a simple farmer's boy who was fascinated with the house that has the golden windows. He probably wished to live in a house. Now come to the third question. See the third one. Why were the golden windows visible at sunset? Why were the golden windows visible at sunset? They were means here golden windows. Okay. Golden windows were visible only at sunset as the setting rays of the sun glistened on the glass windows, giving it a golden hue. So, these golden windows will be visible only at sunset because the setting rays of the sun will fall on the glass windows. So, when the sun rays falls on the glass windows, while seeing from a distance, it appears as a golden windows. That's why the answer is, why were the golden windows visible at sunset? They were visible only at sunset as the setting rays of the sun glistened on the glass windows, giving it a golden hue. Now come to the fourth question. What did Steve learn on his day off from work? So, he got a day off, and what did he learn from the day off from work? Okay. He means Steve learned that the things are not always the way we see them, and that his house too had golden windows. So when he went to the distant hill, and when he watched his own house from the distant hill during the sunset, he find that his house too had golden windows. So Steve learned that the things are not always the way we see them. So he learned that whatever we see are not correct. Okay, they might be wrong or they might be correct. This what the answer is. He learned that the things are not always the way we see them, and that his house too had golden windows. Okay, children, you all of you go through these 4 question and answers. I'm going to give test on these questions. Okay, bye children. Thank you. Prepare well for your exams.